How you going, guys? It's Josh here from AllBrand Caravan Services. We've got this van behind us coming for a service, and we've noticed that when we were winding it up, we noticed that the cables were the roof was a bit off skew. We've put it all the way up and measured it, and we've noticed there's about 80mm difference between the back corner behind me, not behind me, but the other side, and this front corner. So what we're actually doing down here at Carl at the moment, he's actually just making a new cable up because we can't get the adjustment on the bolts. So if any of you guys have any issues with any of the wind-ups, and if you're not sure on how to measure it, give us a call or comment on Facebook and we'll let you know.